Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to create a new community in WhatsApp. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and type WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the phone icon with a green and white background. Tap on it, then tap the Install button to download WhatsApp. Step 3. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the WhatsApp app. Sign in using your usual credentials. Step 4. In the Chats section, look for a little option to the left with a multiple profiles icon stacked. Tap on it. Step 5. A menu will appear, introducing WhatsApp's Communities feature. Tap on Start Your Community. Step 6. Customize your community by typing in a name and an About section. The About section should include the topics and terms of your community. You can also add a picture to represent your community. Step 7. Finally, tap on Create Community to bring your new WhatsApp community to life. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new community in WhatsApp. This feature allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and engage in discussions around specific topics. Creating a community on WhatsApp provides a platform for meaningful conversations and sharing of ideas within a dedicated group. Remember, as the creator of the community, you have the ability to moderate and manage the discussions within the group. This ensures a positive and engaging environment for all community members. If you have any questions or encounter any issues while creating your WhatsApp community, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'll be more than happy to assist you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative guides on WhatsApp and other topics. Thank you for watching, and enjoy creating your WhatsApp community.